Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. Let's continue with marginal costing. So marginal costing second part we are going to have formulas. Now let's see how formulas are getting built under marginal costing. So basically the structure for marginal costing calculation as it is divided into two costs, variable cost and fixed cost. So sales minus variable cost will give you contribution minus fixed cost will give you profit. Now we are going to use this structure for deriving the formulas. First formula is profit volume ratio, that is C by S into 100. C stand for contribution, S stand for sales. Now just mathematical recomposition of this formula will be S is equal to C divided by PVR. Now if you closely observe, sales have two components, sales variable cost and contribution. Contribution have two components, fixed cost and profit. Now I am dividing sales into two parts, break even sales and margin of safety. Now what is break even sales? Break even sales is that amount of sales which covers your all the costs, variable cost and fixed cost, and there won't be any profit available. Whereas margin of safety is that much sales which is over and above to break even sales. So if you want to earn the profit, you have to achieve MOS. At break even sales, there will be no profit, no loss. So sales I am dividing into two parts. I am putting equal to sign as it is. Now contribution have two parts. Contribution have two parts, fixed cost and profit. So I am straight away writing two parts of the contribution, fixed cost and profit, keeping PVR as it is, profit volume ratio. So here your three formulas are ready. If you want to calculate break even sales, there will be fixed cost divided by PVR. If you want to calculate MOS, there will be profit divided by PVR. If the data is available in units and if you want answer break even sales in units, then you can tweak the formula little bit and you will get the answer for per unit. So if you want break even sales per unit, MOS per unit, then replace PVR with contribution per unit. So now I want answer break even sales per unit, then my formula will be fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. My margin of safety will be PV is equal to P divided by profit volume ratio replaced with contribution per unit. So all the formulas can be derived rather than by hearting those formulas. It will definitely help you in calculating your answers in a very easy manner. Thank you everyone.